This code creates a simple analog clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let me break down each part for you. HTML code. The HTML part contains a canvas element with an ID of clock canvas and set dimensions of 300 x 300 pixels. Style code. The CSS part styles the body to be centered both horizontally and vertically. It sets a background gradient and styles the canvas to have a white border, a circular shape, and a shadow. JavaScript script. The JavaScript code defines three functions: drawClock, drawArrow, and updateClock. drawClock is responsible for drawing the clock face, arrows for hours, minutes, and seconds, and clock numbers. drawArrow is a helper function for drawing arrows. updateClock continuously updates the clock by calling drawClock and then scheduling the next update using request animation frame. Letgo for drawClock function. It clears the canvas. It calculates the current time in hours, minutes, and seconds. It draws the clock face using ctx.arc. It fills the clock face with a semi-transparent white color. It draws arrows for hours, minutes, and seconds using the drawArrow function. It draws clock numbers from 1 to 12 around the clock face. Letgo for drawArrow function. It draws an arrow at a specified angle, width, length, color, and line width. It saves the current canvas state, translates the origin to the center of the canvas, and rotates by the specified angle. It draws the arrow body as a filled rectangle. It draws the arrowhead using ctx.beginPath, ctx.moveTo, ctx.lineTo, and ctx.fill functions. It restores the canvas state to the original state. See the clock with updated based on the drawClock is responsible for drawing the clock face, arrows for hours, minutes, and seconds, and clock numbers. drawArrow is a helper function for drawing arrows. updateClock continuously updates the clock by calling drawClock and then scheduling the next update using request animation frame. Thank you for taking the time to explore this code. If you have any further questions or need additional clarification, feel free to ask. Happy coding!